Solve the system by substitution. The system is y equals x plus 3 and y equals negative x plus 5. There are 3 steps to solving a system using substitution. The first step is to make sure one of the equations is solved for a variable. In this system, we actually have both equations solved for the variable y, so we're going to have a choice of which expression we want to substitute into which equation. I am going to choose to pick the first equation, and since the first equation is solved for y, in step number 2, I'm going to take the expression it equals, x plus 3, and I'm going to substitute that in for y in the other equation. Doing this will have me rewrite and create a new equation with one variable, x. It would be x plus 3, that expression instead of y, and then equals the rest of the second equation, equals negative x plus 5. We're then solving that one variable equation for the rest of step 2. We're trying to solve for the variable x. So the first thing we'll do is add x to both sides. That will give us 2x plus 3 equals 5. We'll subtract 3 from both sides, giving us that 2x equals 2. And dividing both sides by 2, we get a value that x equals 1. The final step for substitution, step number 3, is to take that value we just found, in this case x equals 1, and substitute that back into either of the equations in the system. I'm going to randomly pick that first equation, y equals x plus 3, so it could have been either equation. Again, I'm just randomly picking the first one. And if I substitute in x equals 1, that will be 1 plus 3, so y equals 4. So our solution to the system is the ordered pair with the values of x and y, so that would be the ordered pair 1, 4. And to check our work, we can substitute that into both equations and make sure we get true statements. We can do a quick check, where if we have y equals x plus 3, we can check if 4 equals 1 plus 3, which it does. 4 equals 4, so it checks out for the first equation. And then if we have y equals negative x plus 5, we would be checking if 4 equaled negative 1 plus 5, which it does. 4 equals 4 produces another true statement. So the solution we found to this system using substitution, and it checks out, is 1, 4, making our answer choice D.